Hello everyone. So in this video again we have a very interesting question to you pertaining to geometry. So let's take a look. The circle W of triangle ABC is tangent to BC at X. Let Y not equal to X be the other intersection of AX with W. Point P and Q lie on AB and AC respectively so that PQ is tangent to W at Y. Assume that AP equal to 3, PB equal to 4 and AC equal to 8 and AQ equal to M by N where M and N are relatively prime positive integers. So we need to find M by N. Okay, so let's take a look at the question itself and see how we can actually solve this question. So let sides AB and AC be tangent to W at Z, okay, and W, capital W respectively. Let alpha equal to angle BAX and beta equal to angle AXC. Now as PQ and BC both are tangent to W, therefore angle YXC and angle QYX are subtended to the same arc to W. Okay, so therefore we can also have angle AYP equal to angle QYX equal to angle YXC equal to beta. Okay, now by equal tangents PZ will be equal to PY. So therefore applying law of sines, AZ by AP equal to 1 plus ZP by AP equal to 1 plus PY by AP equal to 1 plus sin alpha by sin beta. Okay, so with that said, similarly, okay, just let me clarify, this is being applied to triangle APY. So now again applying the law of sines, to triangle ABX, we have AZ by AB equal to 1 minus BZ by AB equal to 1 minus BX by AB equal to 1 minus sin alpha by sin beta. So this would further follow 2 equal to AZ by AP plus AZ by AB equal to AZ by 3 plus AZ by 7. So here implying AZ equal to 21 by 5 And applying the same argument to triangle AQY, we basically have, so let me solve this here in this particular part. 2 equal to AW by AQ plus AW by AC, which would be further written as AZ by AQ plus AZ by AC. So 21 by 5, 1 by AQ plus 1 by 8. Okay. So therefore from this we can actually conclude AQ equal to 168 by 59, where 168 is M, 59 is N, so therefore M plus N will be given by 168 plus 59. It is 227 is our final answer. So I hope this particular solution or the way in which this particular question has been tackled is clear to you. So kindly go through the same, kindly go through all the processes involved and what are the assumptions we've made, and particularly the law of sines in general. Kindly go through the entire video as many times as you feel comfortable, so as many times as you feel need to understand, and then again one important thing would be try to solve this sum on your own with this video is in reference. So with that said, I believe we have covered all the aspects of this particular question in detail. So if there's any doubt, feel free to just go through this video multiple number of times so that you can get a better understanding on the same. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much. I'm signing out.